Okay, continuing with the pastry. Now in liquid measure, liquid, I add my 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. One, 2, and then enough ice water, and I just actually put ice water in here, to equal 2/3 a cup. So I'm just going to pour the water in to equal 2/3 a cup. I'm going to keep my water here just in case I don't have enough for when I start doing my pie crust. And I'm just going to mix this. And then continue adding it, well, I should have added it briefly. Adding it to my pastry crust, my flour, salt, lard, vegetable shortening, and butter mixture. And the liquid is taking up the beads right now, and I can tell I need more liquid. Just by the edges, it's a bit dry. So I'm going to add the rest of my egg. Use that. Or pastry blend, I should say. I'm videotaping. Come behind me and sing. Come sing behind me. Okay, so with pastry, you have to kind of figure out how wet it should be. And I know I'm going to have to roll this into 2 balls. And it has to be wet enough to roll into the 2 balls without crumbling, but not too wet. So it kind of just takes practice a little bit. So I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. So right now, see, it's a little bit crumbly still, so I'm just going to add a little bit more water. And I know Suzanne is going to stand behind me and make faces and stuff, or ears behind my back. See, I told you. She's checking on the ketchup.
You changed pots?
Yes.
Because the liquid builds up as the tomatoes are cooking, so we have to get a bigger pot because we're making quite a big batch, and yeah, so you have to size your pot according to how much liquid you're going to be cooking.
And we underestimated. Who is that singing?
That is Pitna Cree.
Cree?
Pitna Cree.
Are they Cree?
They're probably native.
Okay.
It's a French song from France, and they're singing about the prisons in France and life in prison, and
They have to be native then.
and
That was a bad joke.
these are young people,
Native
and they really do a good job. Yeah.
There's part of my crust that might be the top or the bottom, whichever you like. Being on the top or being on the bottom. Actually, this one's going to be a bit bigger. You kind of want to equal them out a little bit. So after I put these into balls, I'm going to flatten it out a little bit. And I'm going to wrap them in, what's that plastic stuff called?
Saran wrap?
Yes, saran wrap, there you go. And
I'm glad I'm here to help you
I
along.
know, to know what I'm talking about. So, wrap it in saran wrap and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. But I have to make, how many more of these do I have to make? We have
4 or 5 pies.
So I'm not going to show you, but I got to do this 4 times over. And we're going to start the Tourtiere soon. Au revoir.
Au revoir.